Hi everyone, welcome back to Resin Reveal. Today I'm going to be making a butterfly suncatcher with this big butterfly, two smaller ones. So I'm going to be using some Let's Resin alcohol inks, and they're in pink, purple, yellow, blue and green. I'm also going to be using some gold crushed glass, and I'll put that into a small amount of the resin, and I'm using Tea Expert resin today. That's 1:1 epoxy resin. So we'll just get that covered in the resin, and then that's going to go in there in the body of the butterflies, and hopefully it will stay where I put it because it is quite heavy. That's a big butterfly finished. So let's speed things up just while I do the two smaller ones. So I've noticed that this glass has started to move a bit. So I've had to change a plan. And I'm going to scatter some all around the butterflies in random places. This might take some time to scatter this gold, so I'll speed up the video until I have the pieces where I want them to be. Okay, I'm happy with that now. So let's add our resin before we add the alcohol inks. Let's add some alcohol inks now. These have already been shaken, but before I do that, I've noticed that there's a few stray gold pieces there, so I'm just going to rearrange them till I'm happy with them, and then we'll go ahead and we'll add the alcohol ink. I'll just add the last few bits of that glass, I think. Now we'll pop the alcohol inks in, and I'll speed this up while I do this. Now I'm just going to give these a swirl and mix the colours slightly, and then I'll make a couple of tiny adjustments and I'll leave to cure, and I'll be back soon. I'm going to demold these now, but they're still quite soft, so I'll have to handle them gently because I don't want to be pulling off those antennae, and then I'll be able to take them out in the sunshine and see those lovely effects from the alcohol inks. Oh, that's looking beautiful. I'm loving those colours. I'm really happy with that. I'll just put these on some clean kitchen towel and then we'll carry on demoulding. Yeah, that looks lovely. Okay, on to the next one now. And we've got another beautiful butterfly. Oh, the two of those are nearly the same. That's really nice. Yep, I'm so happy. Now for the big fella. Quite pliable, this one. I'll have to be careful. I don't want to be breaking off any parts. Got to get those out carefully. Hope the antennae stay intact. Oh yeah, they do. Good. Right, so let's have a look. Oh wow. I'm really pleased with these, and the lovely gold bodies. Yep, lovely effect. I'm just going to edge these with a gold acrylic marker. It's got enough gold in the body and scattered about the wings, but I just feel that this would be a nice finishing touch. Okay, that's the big one finished. Now I'll speed this up while I do the two smaller ones. I'll have to take them out into the garden now. And let's see what they look like in the sunshine.